What is crackin', folks? I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and efficiently clean the mass airflow sensor on an H3 Hummer, also applicable to other vehicles. First, be sure to disconnect your negative battery terminal. I'm going to put some gloves on and I'm going to be sure not to touch anything inside of that mass airflow sensor. I'll just touch the outer edge and I'll spray some mass airflow sensor cleaner on it. First, I removed these two screws holding the mass airflow sensor. I disconnected this connector here. I'm going to make sure to blow out any dust around here before removing it. Air compressor works, but so does that. Alright, now I've got my mass airflow sensor removed. I'm going to aim for the little filaments in there. Now I can reinstall the mass airflow sensor, and I'll resecure the screws. And I'll resecure the connector and reconnect the battery. There you have it, folks. That's how to clean the mass airflow sensor on an H3 Hummer. Thanks for watching.